Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to transfer Facebook page ownership. If you have created a Facebook page, but now want to hand it over to someone else, maybe for business, work, or personal reasons, Facebook lets you do it directly from your account settings. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account, or sign up if you do not have one yet. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. At the top of the menu, tap on the gear icon to open settings. Inside the settings, you will see a search bar. In that bar, type page setup and then select it from the results. Next, tap on page access. This section shows you all the people who currently have access to your page. To transfer ownership, tap on add new, then hit next. From here, type in the username of the person you want to give access to. Once you have selected their account, tap on give access. For security reasons, Facebook will ask you to re-enter your password. Go ahead and type it in, and then tap continue. That's it. The ownership of your Facebook page has now been successfully transferred to the new person. They will have full control, and you can step back from managing the page. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.